In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop automatically deleting messages on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to head over to Settings. After that, just scroll down until you find Messages, and then scroll down all the way until you find the option Keep Messages. Then you need to enter it, and that's where we can configure after which period of time your messages will be automatically deleted. This setting is designed to delete all messages to save space on your iPhone. Now on my iPhone it is set to 30 days, so all the messages that are older than 30 days are now automatically deleted. However, we can easily change it to 1 year, and if you want to disable this option at all, you can select forever. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.